Here's my bag. I got ready. Hey people, so we are done with the exams, going back home. Look at me. Me being clumsy as always. इतना ज़्यादा गर्मी है that I can't even tell you. So yeah. So bye. I'll meet you later. अभी मेरे को घर जाना है. I'm so sleepy right now. Go. Last exam. Finally, my third semester is over. I'm so happy, but. I should open my eyes. So good morning. It's the next day after my exam. Yeah, I'm super duper happy. Now I'll go home back. Yeah, but I'm still exhausted, as you can see. Look under my eyes. Even my lips are swollen. I don't know why it's happening. So yeah, I woke up so late today because I was really exhausted for the few days. So I just needed some sleep. Now I have freshened up. Yeah, I'm looking a bit messy because I just woke up. I just made my tea. I'll show you my tea. Look. Tea. Look, it's looked like this from the front. It's super duper cute cup. It was given on my birthday by Swaraj, Sameer and Shruti. Yeah, they are my three friends. They gave me this cup and a cloud shape pinkish color cloud. We always go back home. We always clean this flat before going so that when we'll come there will be no smell or something. So again, this time also we will clean this everything. We just have to mop and just clean the mirrors and this and that and through the garbage, but still. Oh yeah, not still. This is my. So me and my roommate divides our duty. Like 1 week I'll clean the washroom, 1 week she will. For the next week I'll clean the kitchen and stove and the sink, and next week she will clean it. So this week it's my duty. I have to clean it. So yeah, I have to clean the washroom. I have to mop the floor, and I have to clean the kitchen as well. So before going home, I have to do all this thing. I have to change my bed sheet. I have to wash it. I have to wash my clothes. There's so many clothes. I haven't washed them since my exams have started. But yeah, now my exams are finished. Yeah. So I was thinking I'll just mop today and tomorrow. So this is 4, 5. No, tomorrow. Tomorrow I'll clean that areas, and on the 6th. Yeah, I'm very bad with dates, so sorry. So on the 6th I'll go. Today I won't clean all this area because I'm still feeling pain in my body. I don't know why. Last night my roommate even sprayed that, we'll call it Volney gel or Move gel, on my back. Still it's paining so much. Even, you know what, my shoulders, this area, it's paining since 2 months. I don't know what's happening. I told my mother, so mama told me to remove the pillow and then sleep. I tried it and it's better now because of that, removing the pillow, but still it's paining. And since I was writing so much in my exams, during my exams, this right hand has gotten worse. Left is still bearable, but this, no, I can't bear it. I'll go home, I'll do the x-ray and everything because it's actually paining so much. And even, you know, you can look at my skin. I've been trying rice water since 2-3 months and it's so good. It's so good. And you know what? It's a secret, so don't tell anyone. But my roommate, she loves skincare. and she's beautiful. She's very beautiful, and she loves skincare, and she know how to use it and everything. And she was the one who recommended me the rice water. And you know what she bought for herself? She bought snail mucin gel. Yeah, snail mucin gel she uses. And she used earlier I saw her, she was using it on her face, and she even asked me, do you want to? I'm like, no, I'm vegetarian. Proud vegetarian. So I can't use it. She was like, yeah, don't use it. So come here. I need to tell you something. So it's 11 at the night, and my roommate wanted to come here. I'm scared of dogs, still I'm here. Please pray for me. Hari Om. Look, this is what it looks like. Actually, we are supposed to go there, climb up the stairs, but I'm scared because उधर की साइड बहुत कुत्ते होते हैं. क्या guys? So मैंने इसको कन्विंस किया किसी तरीके से कि प्लीज़ यहाँ पे रुकते हैं. Then we will just go up there. So अभी थोड़ी देर will stay here, then we'll go there. Hope you guys will enjoy it. रुक जाओ. इतने जो घूमे बहुत, अब तो नहीं दिखते. खैर these are the tissue papers. I'll put it here. My mommy gave me this haldi box. I didn't even open it yet. Now this time I'll go back home, bring new haldi. And this is some plastic wrap, I don't know. Ooh, this is this. Now I'll clean this. Where are the wipes? Use. It's so dirty here. I mean, sure. Actually, I already did. So wait. I'll just clean this thing up with this. You know, I don't like this type of ganda things, so I usually clean everything before going home. But yeah, when I'll come back, I don't want to waste my time in all this. Right now I have so much of free time, I just prefer to clean my house and go back. When I'll come back, I'll be already exhausted with my flights and everything. Now after that my classes will be starting. I have to prepare for my classes as well, so I just prefer to clean everything before going home, so that after when I'll come back, I can just relax. See, काम करो yo, काम करो yo. Makhana. This is my asan. Asan is like when you're praying, you have to put it here and then sit on this. You can't sit on the bare floor. And this is my dhoop from Patanjali. Yeah. And these are some tissue papers. I've separated these for my puja. I clean my puja wala area from these tissues. I don't use normal tissues because you touch those tissues with your dirty hand, and I just want my puja wala area to get dirty. So these are my locks. And this is the matchsticks which I use while doing my puja. And you know, this is my tote bag. Look, this is it. Let's look like this. Girly. And look, there are so many dhoop. There is mango flavored dhoop I have. This is mogra. Yeah. This is lavender. Where is it? Lavender. And this is rose. This one is my favorite, rose wala. And I have to keep. So, and one that I use. And these are few papers. my notes. And this is something from you. This is, look what I find. 10 रुपए इंडिया के. Here's my bag. I got ready. अब आज मैं और मेरी रूममेट शॉपिंग पे जा रहे हैं. As you all know, मैं इंडिया जा रही हूँ अपने घर. So उससे पहले थोड़ा तो शॉपिंग बनता है या. So I'll go buy something for my family. Even though मैं ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं, but still कुछ तो बन. This पूरा पैकेट and this पूरा. It was so heavy.